Good morning, everyone. So today is Japanese holiday. In Japan, it's a holiday, but I have to go to office. So today I'm going to show you how the stations look like. Is it rush? Is it crowded on national holidays? Because it's right now 7:30. So I'll be reaching at the station around 7:35. So at that time, I'm going to show you that today during my journey from home to office, is it crowded at the stations or not? Well, why today it's a holiday is because today is Marine Day in Japan. But there is no Marine Day for me. Today, for me, it's only the office day. So guys, the weather is amazing today. Very good. See. So yesterday something happened and I slept very late. Actually, one of my friends who lives in my share house only, he's also an Indian. He's from Hyderabad. So he met with an accident yesterday at McDonald's. So what happened exactly was that he went to McDonald's. So he placed his order, and when he was coming back after taking the order, when he was coming out of the McDonald's, so he was watching his phone and he did not notice, and he collapsed with the glass. He thought it was a door, but he was looking at his phone. So he collapsed with the glass and the glass broke, and he got hurt onto his head and also on his knees. So he was completely bleeding, and while he was bleeding, he called his friend, and his friend called me and she said that, Nitin, can you go there and please check whether he's fine or not and take him to the hospital and all that. So I went to McDonald's, and that McDonald's was near our station only. So I went there with Kusan. I called Kusan because I thought if we have to book some hospital, we have to do call ambulance, all that. So Kusan will be faster in doing that because he is a pro in Japanese. So me and Kusan went to the McDonald's. The McDonald's people already called the ambulance. So we sat in the ambulance. Then we reached the hospital. Then one more guy came. We three people were waiting, and the Hyderabadi guy, he was getting treatment at the hospital. After he got bandaged, then we decided to go back to our share house. But then Kusan said that I want to see how the glass was broken at McDonald's. What happened? So me and Kusan and one more guy, we went to McDonald's late night around 11 o'clock. Well, I have reached the station right now, so let me show you station. I will continue the story. Let's see the station, how the station looks like on national holiday. But I am going to office. Today you can see that parking place is also not full. Otherwise it's full. No one is there here. Very few people. Everyone is sleeping. So let me park my bicycle at my place. I have never seen this kind of station, like nobody is here. Very few people are going. Otherwise it's very crowded. See, the train has come, so let me rush. Guys, nobody is there. See, this is the peak time. I'm quite amazed to see this kind of station at this time. 7:17 right now, and look at the station. Otherwise, it's fully crowded. Oh my God! So guys, this is the Matsudo station, which is extremely crowded every day. Today you see the situation of this station. Otherwise the queue is from here till here. Guys, see, I reached Shimbashi station and today very few people are here. Otherwise it's so crowded. I have shown you in my previous videos as well. So let me board Eureka Mome train. I'll show you how much crowded is Eureka Mome train. Guys, see, this line is completely vacant, like nobody is standing here. This line people are still there, but in this line nobody is here. Maybe the train just now has passed by, so nobody is here, but still. Otherwise, on weekdays, on working days, even if the train passes by, people are there. And if you see the roads, even on the roads you will not see many vehicles. So let's board the train because we have office today. Even if you see the train, people are there, are seats. Otherwise you don't get seats here. Okay guys, so I have reached my office. What I was telling you was that Kusan and I went to the McDonald's and we asked them actually what happened. We asked the tenants, like the in charge of that McDonald's branch. Then they said that maybe the guy was looking into his phone and he collapsed with the glass. He thought that it's a gate, it's a door, and he collapsed with the door. Suddenly two policemen came and they said that we have checked the video, the camera video, and the guy was looking into his phone and he collapsed with the door. He said the same thing what McDonald's people were saying, and maybe it's true also, we don't know that. Then Husan said that can we see the video please, and they said that we are still investigating few things, and if it is decided that the guy was looking into his phone and he collapsed with the glass, and when it will be finalized that he collapsed with the door due to his own mistake, because of his own mistake that he was looking at his phone, so he has to pay for the repairing of the glass. And since it was a careless mistake, so police is not going to be involved in this. It's just that the guy has to pay the money to McDonald's for the repair of that glass. And they said that if it is concluded that it was not his mistake and it's McDonald's mistake, that they have not pasted some paper there that this is not the door, that this is the door, then McDonald's will pay whatever it is, otherwise the guy has to pay. After hearing this, Kusan said that can we see the video please, because we want to also make sure that it was his mistake, he was looking at the phone and he has to pay. So they said no, we can't show you the video, what we have said is final. They said that we will let you know in 2 to 3 days that whose mistake it was. If it was guy's mistake, then he has to pay the money. Then we also asked them as to how much does he have to pay. So they said that we don't know, that we will let you know later only. Right now the situation of that guy is fine. While he was hurt also, he told me that bro, take a video for the memory. So I said no, this is not the right time that I take a video, but for him I took a small video so that he will remember it. So maybe let's see if I post it here or not, I'm not sure. And his friend called. I was making parathas and then I left my parathas and I quickly took my cycle and reached to McDonald's. So I didn't have my food also, so my food was also left. So then I ate, after reaching home I ate my food. So yeah, that's why it got very late at night and I slept around 12 o'clock, 12:30 I think. So yeah, and today everyone is on leave like today is a holiday, so everyone is enjoying, but I have to go to office. But it's okay, next Monday I will also enjoy. Cut. Now I showed you the stations like on holiday, how the stations are. Even in India on a holiday you see the stations are like nobody is there. So same goes for Japan or any other country, right? Show you the roads also, see? Very few cars, 2-3 cars, otherwise 15-16 cars you will see here. So that was the case that I wanted to tell you about. So let's see what the police says finally. I will let you know. Let's hope for the best and let's hope for the fast recovery of my friend. And I'll see you in the next video. I hope you liked today's video. Till then, bye bye, take care and have fun. My office is going to start soon. So yeah, bye bye, take care.